Hello, everyone. This is Travis the Trader coming back to you live on Tuesday. This is November the 12th. One of the indices I wanted to share with you, and I've just started trading this not very well, but working on it, is RUT. RUT is the Russell 2000. I would compare this to the S&P SPX, something that we've spoken about in other videos. What I like about RUT, just like with SPX, again, this is focusing on the Russell 2000, is, again, if you look at this, this is a has dailies, it has weeklies, obviously it has monthlies. So there is quite a bit of liquidity, a lot of volume in the options of RUT. I just wanted to let you know I actually put on an RUT. It's not working for me right now, but this is I put on an iron condor that is set to expire tomorrow. I'm keeping it small. Just kind of want to see how this trades. This is actually the second time that I'm trading RUT. I like it because, again, it gives me another investment product that I can use to trade the Russell 2000. I just don't have to focus on the S&P. And at the same time, it does have the daily component to it as well. And as I'm sure everyone has followed the Russell since the election, it's gone to the moon. Although today it's down a little bit. It's down a little over 30 points today. So, but again, it's something that I wanted to share with you. So it's another product that you can put into your product arsenal, when it comes time to trade. Again, this trade that I put on was just an iron condor, scheduled to expire tomorrow. It's got, as I said, its IV is okay, but again, it does have quite a bit of liquidity if we actually go into the 1 day. As you can see, it's okay. I'll say it's okay. It's about this morning. The fills were actually pretty good. The bid ask was actually a little less wide than they are right now, which right now you're looking at about 40 cents wide between the bid ask. So something to keep in mind. Again, my strongest suggestion to everyone is, if you decide to trade the RUT, keep it small and keep it as a defined risk so that you can get an idea as to how this underlying moves, especially in this kind of a market. Really important to keep that in mind. The other one I wanted to talk about was XSP. XSP is the mini SPX. I know we spoke about the SPX a couple of weeks ago in a video, but for those of you who wanted to trade the SPX but thought maybe the contract size was a little too big, so now you can trade the XSP, not SPX, but XSP. And this is a product that is 1/10 the size. So for every 10 XSP, I guess you could say there's one SPX. And again, it's S&P, so as you can imagine, there's dailies, there's weeklies, you've got monthlies, you've got a whole slew of things. I currently don't have a position on it right now. I do have an SPX position, an iron condor, scheduled to expire tomorrow. But again, I just wanted to share with you just the different kinds of products, the different kinds of opportunities that we as traders have when it comes time for us to making a trade, let's say on an index play, for example. And again, we can keep this. Actually, you could probably even look to go naked. Like if you were just to go, actually, I'm not even so sure you could probably go naked on this. I mean, unless you really had a pretty substantial account size. As you can see, let's say this is 3 days out, 25 delta, getting about $1.15 credit, but you're putting up about $11,000. Not something I would do. Again, I would probably keep this as a defined risk, or even let's say a delta neutral with, like, as I said, like an iron condor. And these might be the ways to, for those of you who have that smaller account size, these might be the ways for you to get started in this kind of a product. But again, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear from you guys as to how you might be trading XSP or RUT or SPX. these are great products to have in one's repertoire because definitely adds that added layer of diversity to one's overall portfolio. Again, guys, please subscribe to my videos so that I can continue to making content. If you got value, please subscribe. Thumbs up, always helpful so that I can get some favorability with the, I guess, the algo gods of YouTube. And of course, I look forward to seeing everyone in the next video.